Hello my dear crochet lovers! Today I would like to show you a very nice granny square from the project 366 Days of Granny Squares created by Veronika Lihovic. Veronika already made a crochet tutorial for this motif. Here in this video I would like to show you my version of these squares. As you can see, I was playing quite a lot, and these two flowers is not a mistake. If you will make first 7 rounds, you will have these very nice and beautiful flowers, and they keep the shape very well. I was not blocking them because all the elements are selected so well that the flower looks very beautiful without any blocking. And now let me show you some of the motifs. This time I wanted to play with orange and dark gray, adding some other colors. So here you can see orange, dark green, gray and white. And here is a bit different combination. Adding more white also makes this motif look pretty nice. And this one, I don't know, I just like green very much, and with this kind of gray, it really looks very nice. I hope I gave you some inspiration, so I wish you wonderful projects, creating your own granny squares, and this design, day 2, from the project 366 Days of Granny Square is very beautiful. I will keep it in one of my favorites because it's not only a square but also a very beautiful flower. I like very much the design, and maybe I will use it separately for some other projects. Thank you for your attention. I wish you a wonderful time stitching, making great crochet projects. See you in next video, because very soon I will be showing you the third motif from the project 366 Days of Granny Squares. See you soon. Bye bye. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you that I will leave a link to the crochet tutorial for this motif in a description to this video. Have fun. Bye.